Welcome, everyone. Lesson 20, the magical land of writing and evaluating expressions, multiplication and division. All right. So, hey, let's get into this here. We're back to completing our tables, again, which we've seen before, and using that good math grammar. Multiply the number up against the letter, number's going to show up first, all that type of good stuff. So, let's get into this here and see what we've got. We need to first on the table. So we got the farmer's market selling bags of apples. In every bag, there are 3 apples. Okay. So in one bag, there's 3. 2 bags, there's going to be 6. 3 bags, there's going to be 9. So again, we're kind of filling into what's going on. All right. 4 bags, there's 12. But what about if we have B number of bags? So what it's saying here is like, listen, what do we do here? What's a faster way? Because if we have 57 bags, I don't want to keep filling the charts. So what do you do each time? What are you doing? Yes, timesing by 3 every time. So when I ask you what's B times 3, you say, yeah, 3B. All right, we can't actually do the multiplication problem, so we just simplify it. 3 times B, what does that look like? Looks like 3B. So now, all right, we can use this to help ourselves out. All right, we're always taking the bags and multiplying it by 3. So again, I like to kind of focus in on the table. 25 bags. My bags are over here. What were we doing every time to get over there? We were multiplying by 3. Yes. So 3 times 25. Hello, 75 apples. All right. So yeah. Oh, this one's a good one that's here. All right. If a truck arrived that had some number, as in A, more apples on it, how many bags would the clerk use to bag up the apples? Okay, so now they're giving us the apples, which is over here. So all we're doing is going the other direction. What are you doing each time? Well, you can look at the other numbers that are up on your table. What do you do to a 12 to get to a 4? A 9 to get to a 3, all right? A 6 to get to 2. Well, each time you are dividing by 3. Yes, so we would take the number of apples and divide by 3. That would tell us how many bags that we've got. And so this is why we like it with those larger numbers. All right, so if a truck arrived at 600 more apples on it, 600 apples. Well, again, if we're on that apple side, to get to the bag side, we are dividing by 3. That's what your expression says. Take the apples and divide it by 3. That'll tell you how many bags you've got. So 600 divided by 3. There's 6 divided by 3 is 2. Slap those 2 zeros on. Hello, 200. All right. But yeah, that's what we're after here, people. Multiplication and division. That's there. All right. That's not bad. That's not bad. All right. That's not bad. Let's see if there's any really good ones that are in here. All right. No, there's not any really good ones, which means we're just going to do one more here. All right. Let's go into this one here just because the decimal shows up here. All right. Subway or local bus rides, $2.50. Okay. So if there's one ride, well, hey, we're talking about that's $2.50. So if we go twice, all right, yeah, well now we've spent $5. So yeah, I mean, we're adding on the 250 each time because we keep going up by ones over there. Remember, when you see a pattern over here, you'll see a pattern over here as well. What we want to get to the point here is now that the numbers are getting larger down below is what are we doing here? So calculator's fine. I don't mind if it kind of shows up here, but I'll take care of you. I'll walk you through it here. So 3 times 250, so 250 and 250 is the $5. Add another 250, 750. Add another 250, $10 whole dollars. Add another 250. All right. Well, now we're at $12.50, but now I cannot add another 250 because look, we've jumped. We've jumped all the way from 5 to 10. That's there. All right. So hey, what are we doing each time? Well, to get from the number of rides, the cost in dollars, every single time, we are multiplying by 250. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to do 10 and we're going to multiply it by 250. Make your elementary school teacher proud, people. Multiplying by 10, move that place value. You're going to get exactly $25. Yeah. All right, how about 30? Okay, well, again, what are we doing to get over there? We are multiplying by 250. All right. Not as excited about this one, but check out these wizard skills that we can do here. All right. 30 is simply 10 rides, 10 rides, and 10 rides. Yeah, yeah. Isn't 30 the same as 10 plus 10 plus 10? Yeah, yeah. So if I know 10 rides cost $25, that's $25, another $25, and another $25, which gives you $75. Yeah, that works, people. We can do that. We can do that. Now, again, we could just multiply as well, and that's what they're getting at here. What do you do to get from the rides to get over to the cost? Well, each time you are multiplying by that $2.50. All right. Like we said, people, magic, magic. Not really, it's multiplication. All right. So, yeah, we're going to say that, and then we're going to put that all the way up against it. All right. Number first, letter second, up against each other to show multiplication. So, yeah, I mean, like I said, we can go through and fill it in there, but it's all about filling in the table, and it's all about what are you doing to get from one side to the other. Sometimes it's not as obvious when your decimals show up, but if we can find the pattern in which we're doing here, all right, we're gonna be set to go. So we've now spent time with the multiplication, all right, which means division is absolutely someone that we've been using. We saw that when we went the other way. We saw addition and subtraction. So now we're going to start letting everyone play together. So we just can't take one person. We got to make sure that pattern fits that entire table that we're looking at. Look at me wagging my finger at you like you've done something wrong. No, no, that was showing going left to right. That's there. All right. Anyway, all right, people, we're out of here. All right. Have a good time. We'll see you later.